Hi, in this video, I will show you how to get real-time data on TradingView futures. So, first, go to tradingview.com and sign in. Real-time futures data requires an active account and exchange subscription. Now, step 2 is opening a futures chart. Click chart and search for futures contract you want like ES1, NQ1, CL1 or anyone. That is S&P 500 futures, Nasdaq futures, crude oil, and if you see delayed, you don't have real-time data yet. Now, on the chart, click the delayed label near the symbol or exchange info. A pop-up will show real-time data options. Now choose the correct exchange and subscribe like CME Group, NYMEX, COMEX or NSE or BSE. Fee are usually $1 to $12 per month per exchange. That is non-professional. Now, step 5 is confirming and refreshing. So complete the payment, refresh the chart, and the label will change from delayed to real time. Important notes: TradingView plans do not include real-time futures by default. Crypto futures are real-time for free, and each exchange needs a separate subscription. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.